So today I want to talk a little bit more about search and how we can make searches more relevant for users and therefore make it more usable and easier for them to use. Well, one of the things, common scenarios that you have is that people want to search throughout your SharePoint system, but maybe they want to search for a particular piece of or type of content. And so there's a lot of ways we can do it, but one of the best ways is using what's called managed properties. Managed properties is something that we can set up in the search structure of central administration, basically to select fields that we want to have crawled by the search engine so that we can actually use inside our search. So what you see in front of me here when we're using managed properties is this allows me to narrow the scope and actually create search scopes based off those managed properties that can really help us narrow in and refine. So a good example would be like, let's say you were in an accounting world and you wanted to have a search that only returned results from all the invoices throughout of all the sites on your web application. Well, that's something you can do. So right in front of us you see this search form here. What we've actually done is we've created a new search scope called client documents. This is actually tied to a content type called client documents and all those kind of things. So I'm going to go ahead and perform a quick search here, and I'm going to go ahead and just type in there, and you'll see that there's a lot of other obviously restrictions we can put in here, but overall I just want to show you this one right here, and you'll see actually that I got 3 search results back for this, and these are all of the type client documents, all from a particular type in there. So I'm going to try another one here, which is Apple, and the same thing. And so what this is really allowing us to do is it's not only helping us narrow in our scope, but also give us very big specifics. So especially if you are in a larger organization where you use a lot of the terms the same but for different reasons or that, in that you can create some real powerful searches by just narrowing down the scope so that people are getting more relevant results into what they're really looking for.